A new feature in the site is games and interactive activities, and I'm going to show you some of them. One that I'll start with is probably the easiest one, the Flashcard Mode. You click on Flashcard Mode and the student can press Start. And you get these flashcards which have the English on one side, and as you can see, they have the verb and the conjugations on the other. So the student can remove cards from the deck as they want, and then, oh, I don't know this one, escuchar, and here are the conjugations. You can also keep, which means you pass but you don't remove. As you can see, as I'm removing, the deck over here is getting smaller. Once I get to the very end, the screen will flash, and that will mean that your time was recorded in your gradebook. So if I click on My Grades and then Flashcard Time Spent, you will see that there I have 30 seconds that I spent on this present tense activity. Now I'm going to show you some actual games. There are two main games in the verb activities. One of them is the frog conjugation game. The frog conjugation game, the objective is to capture as many conjugations as you can with the tongue of your frog. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to go for normal speed. And as you can see, they want you to conjugate yo mirar present, which would be miro. You can move the frog. You can attack with your... You can move with the arrow of the keyboard, is how you move, and you can attack with your tongue by pressing the space bar. Ustedes lavar present, that would be right there. As time goes on, your health decreases. You don't want to capture the wrong frog because your health really decreases. And as time goes on, the speed of the flies will increase dramatically. You can also customize the activity and choose which verbs you want to show up in the activity or not. Another game that you can play is the Verb Battleship game, and this is very similar to the Battleship game that you might be familiar with from when you were a kid. There are two grids. You are the left-hand side, and you put your boats on the grid. You can put them horizontally or vertically. I'm going to put this one all the way down here. You cannot see the boats of your enemy, nor can your enemy see your boats. You press play, and you choose a square to attack. This one right here, comprendes. You have to conjugate the verb correctly. And if your conjugation is correct, you're able to throw a bomb. And then the conjugate was able to throw a bomb, and you're going to keep doing this until the conjugate or you is able to sink the boats of the other person. So these are some of the games that you can play with the new Conjuguemos.